My number one goal is to get students to think for themselves.
It's so much more than just teaching.
Brescia talks a lot about this idea of community. I think that has to start in the classroom, and it does.
There's not a big gap between professor and students.
This is a discussion and a debate and a conversation between me and my students.
They really know who you are, and they're really interested in knowing you as a person, not only just like the student side, but as a person.
The professors always engage you in conversation. When you're in a room where you're not with 1,000 other people, they look you in the eye, they ask you questions.
They'll mention what they're doing in their professional life outside of class to you. You can go to their office whenever.
Spending many hours talking with students in my office about what the potential is for them to do things beyond Brescia.
More like a friend. You just talk to them.
Professors are very inspiring. I have one professor, her name is June Matthews, and every time she gives a lecture, she always gives you innovative ideas.
My name is Dr. June Matthews, and I teach food nutritional sciences here at Brescia. I love what I do, and I put a lot of effort into my lectures, and I think it comes across to the students because they're engaged.
It's something new, something different that you can possibly integrate into your own life.
I want them to be exposed to all different points of view. My name is Dennis Hideki, and I teach philosophy here at Brescia.
I had Dennis as my philosophy professor in first year, and he's probably who made me become interested in taking philosophy as part of my degree.
When I'm lecturing, she asks questions that are of the highest caliber. Even before class, I know I have to go in there knowing the latest stuff and the best stuff.
The learning environment is awesome.
Most of the research shows that to succeed at school and university, you have to be engaged in whatever you're doing. At Brescia, I think the engagement of both the intellectual and social atmosphere allows students to realize their potential.
He makes a very good connection with his students, and he always wants to make sure that they're involved in the class discussion. It's all about the two-way lecture with him.
All of us are trying to make the student experience a good one.
But while they're here, they need to take a role and choose to do things that make them stand out, that build them up as a person, that contributes back to the world.
It's a lot more engaging and a lot more exciting to be able to talk in class, discuss, have the professor know your name, work in groups together, have group discussions, and that really facilitates learning a lot more.
They always inspire every person here to give of their best and to bring out their inner leader, because I think we all have it within us.
Yeah, it's completely inspiring to be in this environment.